Imagine walking past all those cramped economy seats and turning left into first class without spending a fortune. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's more possible than you think. In this video, I'm revealing 13 secret hacks airlines really don't want you to know. Each one can get you closer to that coveted flight upgrade. Buckle up, because your next flight might just be your most luxurious yet. Let's jump in. Number 1. Bid for upgrades via airline auctions. Some airlines let you bid money for an upgrade before your flight. You'll usually get an email invite, or you can check the airline's website to place a bid. Over 50 carriers worldwide use auction programs run by companies like PlusGrade, letting economy passengers name a price for premium seats. For example, Hawaiian Airlines offers upgrade auctions. You might snag first class for a few $100 instead of thousands. US Big Three don't do pre-flight bidding, but many international airlines do. Pro tip: bid a bit above the minimum. If plenty of seats are empty, even a modest bid can win. It's a silent auction, so you won't see others' bids. Just put in the highest you'd comfortably pay. If the airline accepts your offer, you're upgraded and enjoy all the perks of the higher cabin at a fraction of the ticket price. Number 2. Join last-minute upgrade auctions. Didn't bid in advance? No worries. Some airlines run live upgrade auctions at the gate. Apps like Seat Boost let checked-in passengers bid against each other for any unsold premium seats shortly before departure. It turns waiting at the gate into a mini-game. You'll see if you're the top bidder in real time. For instance, Virgin America famously let flyers at certain airports compete for first class via Seat Boost. Winners were notified on the app and issued new boarding passes on the spot. JetBlue and other carriers have tested similar tech to maximize revenue on empty Mint or extra legroom seats. The key is to download the app before your flight and keep an eye out 60 to 90 minutes before takeoff for an upgrade auction to open. This hack is still under the radar. If your airline offers it, you could scoop a premium seat for cheap, simply by outbidding a few others in those final minutes. Number 3. Leverage credit card perks for upgrades. Your credit card can be a secret upgrade weapon. Many US airline cards grant perks or priority that improve your upgrade odds. For example, United's Mileage Plus credit card holders get a boost in the upgrade list. Even a basic Explorer card puts you ahead of non-card holders of the same status. Higher-tier cards count even more, acting as tiebreakers in your favor. Delta explicitly ranks its Delta Sky Miles Reserve card members higher on the standby upgrade list, just below top elite tiers. Some cards come with upgrade certificates or credits too. For instance, the Delta Reserve card annually gives you a companion certificate that's eligible for first class, essentially a free upgrade for a travel partner once a year. Southwest Priority card holders get 4 upgraded boarding passes annually. Not a seat class upgrade, but it lets you board earlier to snag the best seats on the plane. And don't forget General Travel cards. Perks like airline fee credits can reimburse you when you pay for an upgrade. Number 4. Fasttrack Elite status with matches and challenges. Airlines fiercely compete for loyal customers, and you can use that to your advantage. Status matching is a little-known shortcut. If you have status with one airline, another airline might grant you comparable elite status for a trial period. This means you instantly enjoy perks like upgrade eligibility, priority boarding, and better seats without starting from scratch. For example, Delta, American, United, JetBlue, they've all run status match or challenge programs. JetBlue's Match to Mosaic lets you match status from a bunch of other airlines and enjoy 3 months of Mosaic perks. Southwest will match any major airline's elite status with a trial A-list status for 90 days. During that trial, you can often get upgraded boarding or priority seating. To keep the status longer, you usually must fly a certain amount in those few months, but even if you don't, you get a window of VIP treatment. Pro tip: search online for Station Amsan for status. Match 2025, you might find an ongoing offer. It's a free way to become an elite quickly, and elite status is the golden ticket for complimentary upgrades. Number 5. Earn elite status through credit card spending. You don't need to fly 100,000 miles to get airline status. You can earn it on the ground with your credit card. American Airlines pioneered this with its loyalty point system. Every dollar you spend on an AA card earns one loyalty point. Rack up enough points, and you'll reach A Advantage Elite status without ever boarding a plane. For instance, 40,000 points equals gold, 75,000 equals platinum, all the way up to 200,000 equals executive platinum. That means putting $40,000 on your card in a year makes you a gold elite, unlocking free upgrades on domestic flights when available. JetBlue has a similar approach. Spend $50,000 on a JetBlue card, and you've essentially bought yourself mosaic status. Even Delta and United offer elite qualifying boosts for big spenders. Delta's waiver, for example, lets you skip the dollar requirement for status if you charge enough on their Amex. Why is this a hack? Because it's underutilized. Many travelers don't realize that everyday purchases can translate into airline status. If you're strategic, you could hit a status tier by year's end just by shifting your spending to the right card. And with status comes those sweet complimentary upgrades and priority for premium seats. Number 6. Use miles and points to upgrade. Sitting on a pile of frequent flyer miles? Use them to upgrade your next flight. All major U.S. airlines allow mileage upgrades on paid tickets, turning points into a better seat. The trick is to know when and how to do it. Often, you can apply miles to upgrade during booking. For example, Delta's website offers an upgrade with miles option for domestic flights. As you're purchasing an economy ticket, you might see an offer like, use 15,000 miles to upgrade to first. It's a one-click way to secure a nicer seat. United lets you search for flights with upgrade awards on United's site. Choose Mileage Plus Upgrade Awards to see if seats are open for miles plus a cash copay. American uses a fixed miles chart depending on route and fare class. You can request an upgrade with miles on many routes, sometimes right after ticketing, or at the gate if seats free up. This strategy is great for international trips, where business class might be out of cash budget, but you can use, say, 25,000 miles plus $350 to jump from economy to lie flat seat. Keep in mind, some fare types can't be upgraded with miles. Also, airlines have limited upgrade award space tools like Expert Flyer can show if upgrade seats are open. Number 7. Monitor for upgrade. Offers after booking. Sometimes the best upgrade deals pop up after you've bought your economy ticket. Airlines will often email you or display in your booking dashboard an offer to upgrade for a discounted rate as the flight date approaches. These are dynamic offers based on how many premium seats remain. For instance, a business class seat that would have cost $1,000 more at booking might be offered to you for $300 a week before departure, if it's still unsold. Keep a close eye on your reservation in the airline's app or website. Look for buttons like Upgrade for Dollars or emails with the subject Special Upgrade Offer. As Delta notes, they've been pricing first class to sell more in advance, but they'll still throw out post-purchase upsell offers. Also, check-in time is golden. When you check in, many airlines show a last-minute upgrade price. That price can drop further at the gate if seats are still empty. I've seen cross-country first-class upgrades go from $200 the day before to $100 at boarding time. Hack. Set a reminder to recheck the seat map and upgrade options 72, 48, 24, and even 2 hours before flight. If you see a great price, snag it on the spot. Number 8. Pounce on same-day upgrade deals at the airport. Even if you didn't get an email or app offer, you can still grab a last-minute upgrade, but you'll need to act fast and be proactive. On travel day, politely ask the check-in counter or gate agent if any paid upgrades are available. Airlines would rather sell upgrades cheaply than let seats go empty. For example, Alaska Airlines often offers first-class seats at flat rates near departure, like $100 to $300, and United and American sometimes quote surprisingly low prices at the gate. Delta may offer discounted buy-ups before giving free upgrades to lower-tier elites. Even Southwest sells upgraded boarding spots for $30 to $50 at the gate. Keep your card handy and jump when you hear, first-class seats available for X dollars. No announcement? Still ask. One traveler snagged a United first-class upgrade for just $99 at the gate. Be early, be friendly, and you might score big. Number 9. Volunteer for bumps and negotiate upgrades. This hack is a true win-win. If your flight is oversold, volunteer to take a later flight and use that to snag an upgrade. Airlines often ask for volunteers when they overbook, offering vouchers or credits. If you're flexible, step up and, when you do, politely ask for an upgrade on your new flight as part of the deal. Agents often agree, especially if there's space in business or first. You might score a big travel credit and a premium seat later. Sometimes they'll even book you directly into first or business as a thank you, though the cash voucher might be lower. Even if they don't promise it up front, having status boosts your chances of an upgrade. One traveler got a $600 voucher and first class from Charlotte to LA just by volunteering. Look for peak time flights that are likely oversold, volunteer early, and always ask for that upgrade. It works more often than you'd think. Number 10. Choose flights strategically for better upgrade odds. Not all flights are equal when it comes to scoring upgrades, so timing and route choice matter a lot. Business-heavy routes like NYC LAX are toughest on Monday mornings and Friday afternoons when every premium seat is snapped up by corporate travelers. Instead, aim for midweek flights. Think Tuesday or Wednesday afternoons when business travel slows down and first class might be half empty. This gives you a higher chance of a cheap upgrade offer or a complimentary upgrade if you have status. Avoid peak hub-to-hub routes packed with elite frequent flyers, all fighting for upgrades. Try alternative times or connecting flights where there's less competition. For example, if Delta's Atlanta to Chicago 8 a.m. flight is full of diamond medallions, try the 2 p.m. instead, or connect through a smaller hub like Minneapolis. Also, keep an eye on new routes or aircraft swaps, since airlines sometimes oversell economy to promote a new flight, leaving premium seats open. Flying on major holidays can work too, as business travelers usually stay home. Pick flights when fewer elites are on board, and you might end up sipping champagne up front without paying thousands extra. Number 11. Book premium economy or higher fare classes. This might sound odd paying more for the economy to get an upgrade, but it works. Booking a slightly higher fare can move you to the front of the upgrade line. Airlines often give instant or priority upgrades to travelers who buy full fare economy. On United or Delta, if you have status, you might even get upgraded immediately when booking. Even without status, a higher fare puts you high on the list for operational upgrades. Premium economy is another great option. It's already more comfortable, and if business is oversold, those seats often get upgraded first. Some airlines only allow mileage upgrades from flexible fares, not the cheapest ones. American Airlines, for example, requires an upgrade-eligible fare. Also, watch for special Y-Up or Z fares economy tickets that automatically include first-class seats at a lower price than standard first class. By investing a little more upfront, you set yourself up for major comfort wins and might end up in business or first without paying full price. Number 12. Take advantage of airline partnerships. Don't just focus on airlines. Your hotel status or other partnerships can also unlock flight upgrades. For example, Marriott Bonvoy Titanium or Ambassador members can enroll in United's Rewards Plus program and get United Premier Silver status for free. While Silver isn't top tier, it gives perks like free Economy Plus seats at check-in and eligibility for first-class upgrades, even if lower on the list. Certain credit cards offer similar crossover benefits. For instance, Amex Platinum holders get Hotel Elite statuses, which sometimes lead to airline status challenges or perks. In the past, Hilton Diamond members got Alaska MVP status, and Hyatt Elites could try for American Airlines status. Airline alliances also help. A Delta SkyTeam Elite Plus member might get better treatment on Air France, like priority seats or operational upgrades. Another angle? Use partner miles to upgrade like Avianca Life Miles for United flights. Even corporate or rental car programs can bump your priorities subtly. Always check your loyalty programs for hidden partnerships. By connecting these networks, you open surprising doors to better seats. It's like networking your way into a first-class experience without paying full price. Number 13. Team up with a travel companion who has status. One hack many travelers overlook. If you're flying with someone who has elite status, book your tickets together or link them. Most airlines allow an elite member to bring one companion along for a complimentary upgrade on the same flight. For example, if a Delta Platinum medallion clears an upgrade to first, their travel companion on the same reservation can get upgraded too, as long as there's an extra seat. United and American offer similar companion upgrade policies, but it's crucial to be on the same booking record or properly linked. Separate reservations can make this benefit unreliable. Even better, if your elite friend has upgrade instruments like United Plus points or American system-wide upgrades, they can use them to move both of you to a higher cabin. This essentially doubles the value of one person's status, letting two people enjoy premium perks. Next time you travel with a frequent flyer, plan ahead and book together. It's a little-known trick that could have you both sipping champagne up front, turning one status into two unforgettable seats.